Hey everyone! Today, we're busting the top 5 myths about finance careers that might be holding you back. But first, please do me a favor. Hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful career content. Alright, let's get into it. Myth number 1. You must be very good at math to succeed in finance. While it's true that numbers play a role in finance, you don't need to be a mathematical prodigy to succeed. Most finance roles require math skills equivalent to the high school level. Think basic algebra, percentages, and understanding simple statistical concepts. The essential skills in finance include analytical thinking, problem solving, and the ability to interpret data. Many financial tasks involve using software and tools that handle complex calculations for you. You must make sense of the results and apply them to real-world situations. Calculating interest rates, understanding financial statements, or analyzing market trends typically involve straightforward math that you likely encountered in grades 9 through 12. If you're comfortable with basic arithmetic and have a knack for logical reasoning, you're well equipped for a career in finance. Myth number 2. You must have a finance degree to work in finance. It's a common misconception that only those with finance, economics, or accounting degrees can break into the finance industry. But the truth is that the finance industry welcomes people from all educational backgrounds. In fact, many successful finance professionals come from fields like engineering, mathematics, psychology, computer science, and even liberal arts. Transferable skills, critical thinking, problem solving, analytical abilities, and effective communication matters most. Moreover, there are plenty of opportunities to gain finance knowledge outside of a traditional degree. You can pursue certifications like Chartered Financial Analyst (CFA) and Certified Financial Planner (CFP), or enroll in online courses and boot camps that specialize in finance topics. So don't let the lack of a finance degree hold you back. If you're passionate about finance and eager to learn, you can build a successful career in this dynamic industry regardless of your academic background. All right, myth number 3. Finance is a male-dominated industry. While it's true that historically men have held the majority of positions in finance, the landscape is changing, and rapidly. Today, more women and individuals from diverse backgrounds are entering and excelling in the finance sector than ever before. According to industry reports, the number of women in finance has steadily increased over the past decade. Companies recognize that diversity isn't just a buzzword, it's a competitive advantage. Diverse teams bring varied perspectives, foster innovation, and make better decisions. Many organizations actively promote diversity and inclusion through initiatives, such as mentorship programs and flexible work policies that accommodate different lifestyles and needs. Professional networks and associations specifically supporting women and minorities in finance have also grown substantially. These groups offer networking events, training programs, and advocacy efforts to promote equal opportunities. So, if you're hesitant to pursue a career in finance because you think it's a boys' club, it's time to reconsider. The industry is evolving, and there's a growing emphasis on creating an inclusive environment where everyone can thrive. Myth number 4. You must work on Wall Street. Not at all. Finance opportunities exist everywhere. You don't need to move to New York City or a central financial hub to build a thriving career in finance. Every company, big or small, needs finance professionals. Finance roles are available in cities and towns worldwide, from local businesses to multinational corporations. Opportunities in corporate finance, banking, financial planning, and more are right where you are. The rise of financial technology, or fintech, has also opened up exciting opportunities for startups far from traditional financial centers. These innovative companies are transforming the finance industry and can be found in cities globally. Moreover, with technological advances, many finance roles offer the flexibility to work remotely or from locations that suit your lifestyle. This means you can build a successful finance career from virtually anywhere, whether you prefer the hustle and bustle of a city or the tranquility of a rural setting. Finally, myth number 5, AI and automation will replace finance jobs. There's no denying the rise of artificial intelligence has disrupted the industry in a big way, automating repetitive tasks, analyzing data at lightning speed, and even predicting market trends. But here's the reality. While AI is transforming the industry, it's not eliminating jobs, it's changing them. AI and automation are taking over repetitive and routine tasks like data entry and basic calculations. This shift allows finance professionals to focus on more strategic, analytical, and interpersonal aspects of their roles. There's a growing demand for professionals leveraging technology to provide deeper insights and strategic value. New roles are emerging in fintech, data analysis, and risk management. While technology continues to revolutionize the finance industry, the human elements of trust, judgment, empathy, and strategic thinking remain essential. These roles require a human touch that AI cannot replicate. So, instead of fearing AI, see it as a tool to enhance your career. AI isn't here to take your job, it's here to make it better. And there you have it, the top 5 myths about finance careers busted. Don't let these myths hold you back from pursuing a rewarding and exciting career in finance. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications. And if you wish to get job ready for a successful career in finance, don't miss the opportunity to subscribe to the 365 Financial Analyst platform. Stay tuned.